Good day everyone. So today I gonna create a database using WAMP Server. So in order to access the WAMP Server, just click the show hidden icons if you're already installed the WAMP Server, and click this, then click MySQL, then MySQL console, then it will show this. So just click OK. Now we have the command. So I'm gonna close this screen. So just enter. So here. So we're gonna, this is our MySQL. So we're gonna input there and command something to create a database. So first is I'm gonna show you how to show the databases. So just type here show databases, then semicolon, and enter. So these are the database. So in order to create a database, so is the syntax it. So create database, then you're gonna create your own database names. Or my own database name is sales db, and semicolon, and we got, now we query OK. So we successfully create the database. So show databases. So we have our own database name. So we're gonna use that so that we can create the tables. So we use sales be your own. So database change. So we're gonna create our table. So this will be the inside in our database, which is the table, the customer, invoice, line, product, and vendor, with the attributes inside each. It has the primary key and the foreign keys. So here we're gonna create the table. Is the customer. So we're gonna create the customer table inside in our database. So create database. Oh no, it's table. Then I'm gonna name the table customer, and semicolon. So let's continue. So we're gonna create a table customer. So inside the customer table, it has the customer code, last name, first name, initial, area code, phone, and balance. So that's what we're gonna do here. And primary, since our customer code is the primary key, so we're gonna put this. Shift enter if you want to go next line. Plus name. Chart. Plus balance. So use this symbol because it's any balance. Whatever we can do. Oh, sorry. So these are the attributes along with the primary key, the customer code inside the table, which is the customer. Then enter so query. Okay, so let us show the name. So let's see if it's correct. So let us describe the table, which is the customer. And same, don't forget the semicolon. Right. So it's the field. The field is primary key, so correct, which is okay. Then next is the invoice. So we're gonna create another table that contains the attributes of invoice. So create table. So I'm gonna name invoice. So inside the invoice, we have the invoice number, which is the primary key. Sorry. Okay. So I was saying, so our invoice number is the primary key. So primary key. Okay, shift enter the next line. Let's go. So we're done. Then since the invoice it has the foreign key, which is the cost code, so we're gonna write here the foreign key to make the cost code into foreign key. This is the postcode. Then we have to reference where does that belong. References the customer. And references the postcode. So this is our invoice table. So this is what's inside of this. So enter. So query. Okay, so let's see if it's what's inside. So see, describe the table, describe invoice. Of course, don't forget the column. Invoice error. So it is the field in the invoice table. It has, since our invoice number is the primary key, then the cost code is the foreign key. This mole is the foreign key. So it's successfully correct. Next is the line. So we might notice that we don't have the P code, which is the product. So we just skip this, and then the product code it needs. So we might notice that it has the V code, so we don't have it belongs to vendor, so we'll have just to skip this. So let's just proceed the vendor, then later after the vendor we'll proceed this and as the line. So first, since we done the customer and invoice tables, so we'll just skip the two, then it says start at the vendor table. So create table name vendor. So inside the vendor table has a V code. Just put int primary. Since the V code is the primary key, so primary key. Now shift enter. So maybe name, vendor name, report chart. Export 15. Next is different type and the contact. Just move the link. Area code. Code. Address. The link. The phone. And the phone. And the vendor state. Vendor state. Report chart. Next is the vendor order. So this is the hint. And so this will be the attributes along with our primary key, which is the vendor code inside the table of vendor. So let's see, let's just enter. So query, okay, so it's successfully create a table vendor. So let's see, describe a table vendor. So this is the field of the vendor. So then our vendor code is the primary key. So it shows here, which is correct. And along the attributes, name, contact, area code, phone, state, and order are there. So which is correct. And we successfully create a table vendor. Then we're done the customer, invoice, and vendors now down here. So let us proceed to table, which is the next table, which is the product. Sorry. So we're gonna create another table. So I'm gonna create a table named product. So inside the product, it has the product code, which is the primary key. Then I'll roll with the rest of the attributes. Then we have the vendor code, which is the foreign key. So let's create. And the product description is correct. So for sure. No. In date is date. In date and of the 100. For ratio it is equal which in hand and access email and the price. Yes. Discount. Yes. Yes. And the code we're gonna create a foreign key of the VP code. Foreign key. This is code and references. Just the vendor table. Then inside just the big code. So these are the product table along the attributes along with the primary key, the P code, and the foreign key is the V code. So let's just enter. So query, okay, so it's successfully okay. So let's just see if it's describe the table, which is the product, and get the semicolon and enter. So this, as you can see here, that's the inside the product table we have this, and the correct code here is the B code, so it shows here. Then B code is the foreign key. Then we can this the mole is the foreign key, so B code. So it's correct. Since we've done this, let's see the last one is we're gonna create a table line. So we have to create a table. Another table is line. inside the line we have two primary keys, which is the invoice number and line number. Then we have two foreign keys, which is the foreign key invoice number, and the foreign key is the PIC code from the product code. So let's sorry. So we're gonna create the invoice number. So invoice number is the int node. Next is the line number. Sorry. So we invoice size. Oh yeah, the PIC code. And units, and let's say the line price. Yes, and word price, and I use this one. And since we have the two primary keys, so we're gonna create the primary keys. So primary key. And inside of it is each primary key is the invoice number and the line number. So invoice number and the line number. And invoice number. Okay. And next is we're gonna create the two foreign keys. Foreign key. So the foreign key. So just create it. Invoice number. References. The invoice number is mostly here. So the table is the invoice. Parentheses invoice number. Now we create that. Then another foreign key for the PIC codes. Foreign key PIC code. References. The PIC code is the table of product. So product. In parentheses, the PIC code that we can make the foreign key. So I don't care. So this is the power in the line. Let's check. So alright, okay, so it's successfully created. So let's see. Describe the table line. So what we have here. So we successfully create the. So we done each table, so the customer invoice line, product, and vendor. So let's see. So let's see short tables. So inside in our database, which is the sales DB, so we have the customer invoice line, product, and handle. And I mean vendor. Sorry. So if you want to what's inside each table, just use this. Describe customer. So this. Then the vendor. So if that's how you know. So that's how you create a database using the WAMP server. So that's all. Thank you.